Your question is Indian Constitution does not grant which of the following rights? Your options are A. Right to equal shelter, B. Right to equality, C. Right to freedom of religion, or D. Right to liberty. Right answer is A. Right to equal shelter. Your question is the right to equality is granted by 5 articles in the Indian Constitution. These are your options are A. Article 13 to 17, B. Article 14 to 18, C. Article 15 to 19, or D. Article 16 to 20. Right answer is B. Article 14 to 18. Your question is which one of the following rights is available to all persons under the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Right to equal protection of the law, B. Right against discrimination, C. Right to freedom of speech and expression, or D. Cultural and educational rights. Right answer is A. Right to equal protection of the law. Your question is which of the following is not a fundamental right granted by the Indian Constitution to the citizens? Your options are A. Right to settle in any part of the country, B. Right to gender equality, C. Right to information, or D. Right against exploitation. Right answer is C. Right to information. Your question is choose the fundamental rights available to Indian citizen but not to aliens. First, freedom of speech and expression. Second, equality before the law. Third, right of minorities. Fourth, protection of life and liberty. Your options are A. 1 and 3, B. 1 and 4, C. 2 and 4, D. 2 and 3, E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. 1 and 3, freedom of speech and expression and right of minorities. Your question is a British citizen staying in India cannot claim right to. Your options are A. Freedom of trade and profession, B. Equality before the law, C. Protection of life and personal liberty, or D. Freedom of religion. Right answer is A. Freedom of trade and profession. Your question is the Supreme Court has held that hoisting the national flag atop the private buildings is a fundamental right of every citizen under. Your options are A. Article 14 of the Constitution, B. Article 19 1A of the Constitution, C. Article 21 of the Constitution, D. Article 25 of the Constitution, E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. Article 19 1A of the Constitution. Your question is which of the following has been recognized as a fundamental right by the Supreme Court of India? First, right to shelter. Second, right to travel abroad. Third, right to equal pay for equal work. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Right to shelter, right to travel abroad, and right to equal pay for equal work. Your question is which of the following fundamental rights is not available to foreign citizens? Your options are A. Equality before law, B. Right to freedom of expression, C. Right to freedom of life and liberty, or D. Right against exploitation. Right answer is B. Right to freedom of expression. Your question is which article of the Constitution of India safeguards one's right to marry the person of one's choice? Your options are A. Article 19, B. Article 21, C. Article 25, or D. Article 25. Right answer is B. Article 21.